Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to bold text on Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to send the bold text on Messenger, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.flowjam.com/boldtextgenerator. Once you do this, you'll end up in this website where all you need to do is simply type whatever you want to type and it will generate the bold text format of your text. So from the bold section you can select any of the font you want and simply copy the sentence. So once you have copied the content, all you need to do is simply go back in your Messenger app and open the chat you want to chat with. So once you have done this, you can simply paste the thing that you had copied before and send it to the person. In this way, you can bold text on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.